Hey everyone, if you're in the UAE and wondering why Discord isn't working, you're not alone. Voice chat won't connect, the app lags, or sometimes it just refuses to open. That's because Discord is restricted in the UAE, along with other apps like Skype, WhatsApp calls, and Zoom. But don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to access Discord in the UAE quickly and safely. Make sure to check the description for a special link to NordVPN, the VPN I personally use and trust for unblocking Discord in restricted countries like the UAE. The UAE blocks VoIP services to protect telecom companies. That means no Discord voice chats, no WhatsApp, Skype, or FaceTime calls. Most international apps with call features are restricted. So when you try to use Discord normally, especially voice channels, it won't work unless you use a tool to bypass those restrictions. The easiest and safest way to access Discord in UAE is with a VPN, a virtual private network. Here's how it works. It changes your IP address, so it looks like you're browsing from another country. It encrypts your traffic, so no one, including your ISP, can see what apps you're using. It lets you access blocked apps like Discord, Skype, and more. But not all VPNs work in the UAE. Most free VPNs are blocked, slow, or unreliable. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It's one of the few VPNs that still works reliably in the UAE, thanks to its obfuscated servers that bypass network blocks. Here's how to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Pick a subscription plan. It's not free, but you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Download and install the NordVPN app on your device. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings Auto Connect. Turn on obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a country like the US, UK, or Germany. Step 6. Now open Discord, and it should work just like normal. Voice chats, messages, and servers will all load without issue. If you're still having issues, try switching to a different NordVPN server. Change the VPN protocol to OpenVPN, TCP, or NordLynx. Restart Discord or clear its cache. These quick fixes solve 99% of the problems. And that's how you can access Discord in the UAE, even if it's blocked. Just use NordVPN with obfuscated servers to change your location and encrypt your connection. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a discount and try it risk-free. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to every one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Discord guides that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.